Today's video is going to be another super simple recipe. It's only 4 ingredients. We've got quail, we've got bacon, we've got poultry seasoning, and pepper. We don't need to add salt because the bacon provides plenty of salt. So I'm going to start by taking these bacon pieces and I'm going to cut them in half lengthwise. The reason for cutting the bacon pieces in lengthwise like this is so I can make a nice basket weave over the quail, and the quail, since the quail are rather small. Okay, this is going to be at a little bit of a strange angle, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to basket weave the bacon around the quail. So I'll take about 3 pieces across, get those wrapped around the legs, and then I will take 4 other pieces and wrap them over and under to give that nice little basket weave. It keeps the bacon in place and also makes it just look pretty. So each quail gets 3 pieces of bacon, and then I'm going to tuck them around and make sure that they're nice and secure. Okay, my quail are nicely wrapped in bacon. I'm going to go ahead and put them in a 450-degree oven for about 10 minutes to crisp up the bacon. Almost forgot one thing before I threw this into the oven. Let's give it a liberal dosing of pepper and poultry seasoning. Okay, and now into the oven. Okay, the bacon is starting to crisp up, so I'm going to put these back in the oven and lower the temperature to about 375 for 20 more minutes. Okay, so this is what it looks like after 15 minutes at 450 and then another 20 minutes at 375. Now it's getting to be about time to plate everything up. Cha-cha! The final result, we have bacon-wrapped quail, sourdough roll, and chahan, or fried rice. I hope you enjoy. If you do enjoy my cooking, please put into the comments what you'd like to see next. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.